Hello guys, welcome to this weekly recap. Kevin right here, your golden option Forex educator. Welcome to this weekly recap for the week of Sunday, March 3 till Friday the 8th. So we had 3 trades on this week. We had the 2 entries on GBP GPY, our favorite pair, and 1 on GBP USD. So the first pair I'll be starting with here. It's GBP GPY. So the two entries, 2 trades that we had. So the first one was on March 5th at around 7 a.m. So after many confirmations, so you can see right here that the price is showing a downtrend. Why? Because as you may see right here on the left, uh, it was in the presence of higher highs and higher lows. So we have this high right here, this pullback right here, a low, and then a high which was higher than this one here. So a higher high, and when it came to retrace to pull back, this low right here was higher than this one. So it did this for a couple of times right here until it consolidated right here in blue in the rectangle that you see, and then price, as you may see, characterized by this channel right here, it started to do lower highs and lower lows. So you have this maximum, this top right here is a high, then low, then a lower high as compared to this previous one, and then a low which again was lower than this previous low, and uh, this way for the whole time right here in this channel. So at a certain point we had a pullback plus a Fibonacci level that we looked at. That was our confirmation. Plus right here you can see in blue this line right here at 147.700. So it was a broken level, and then it came to retrace precisely on this level. So we had a Fibonacci, we had a previous support, now a new resistance, and we shorted right here at around 7 a.m. 7 a.m. on the March 5th. We took price, as you can see, directly just dropped for a big movement. So we were in profits from the first 30 minutes, 10 minutes, I would say even. So we had right here price that came to make another pullback. So that's when we entered again. Because when it just dropped massively right here, we already put our position in break even, therefore at zero risk, and that's why we could enter right here with a maximum of a 5% risk. So we had the second position right here at around 12 at around noon New York time, so on the March 5th again. So we had right here a second entry, and then price consolidated for a few days to drop before and hit our first TP, not our first TP, but our final TP on the first trade at 150 pips, and the second entry at 100 pips, for a total of 250 pips just on GBP GPY. So this was an amazing trade right here. And on GBP AUD, we didn't lose nor win anything, so we were in break even. And as you can see, price right here was in a uptrend, so characterized by higher highs and higher lows, till this point where it consolidated for a big period of time. So right here, what happened? We had the confirmations, but in the end, it turned out to be a bit wrong. Still, we never lose anything in here. So we had right here price that broke. It did a breakout of this rectangle right here. So we were waiting for this pullback that you see right here. So it pulled back, and we were expecting, price to come to this next key level, but instead, it went a bit in the negative, and around 5, as you can see down below right here, at around 5 p.m. in the 5 p.m. already in the afternoon. So there was the closure of the New York time zone. So volatility and spread was going to be higher and against us. So that's why we closed it right here at break even. So at the same point as the entry, and therefore at the same time we avoided price to go against us for a loss right here. So in recap, we had two real trades, so that were won, so 150 pips in the first position, and afterwards, after a few hours, another entry with 100 pips win, and a break even on GBP AUD, which gave us a 250 pips net profit, which is amazing, only with two trades instead of many, as many traders do. So if you guys want to know more about our trades and to copy our signals and see our online trainings, please visit either our website at goldenoptiontrading.com or our two Instagram pages, depending on your language. So the French one is, the English one first, it's a Golden Option Trading on Instagram, and the other one on Instagram as well at Golden Option. So I hope you guys caught these moves and will win with us on the next weeks to come, and I'll see you guys in the next videos.